Is Clickwell system a scam, or is it a legit way to making money online? Can you make great fortunes with a simple click? If you are looking at signing up to the Clickwell system and you're not sure whether this is a right business opportunity for you, then you are at the right place. Today, this review is going to help you to show you everything you need to know about Clickwell system so that you can make an informed decision. My name is Rupesh, and I'd like to take this opportunity to welcome you to my channel, Passive Income for All. If you are looking at making money online and starting your very own online business, go ahead and click on the link below this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click on the subscribe button so that you can be kept up to date on what is happening within the world of online business. So now let's take a look at Clickwell system. Okay, so here we are at the official Clickwell system sales page. Give me 5 minutes and I will show you how you can generate your first paycheck online. And then there's a sales video, and if you go down, there's just a button to access the program and the cost of the program. Alright, so just want to show you the opening part to the video.
Hi there.
Hi there.
I have a special
gift for you. So what exactly is a special gift? We'll find out soon enough. And by the way, the video does say that it's only 5 minutes long, which is actually way longer than 5 minutes. I managed to sit through the whole video, and to summarize, the narrator is supposedly the owner of Clickwell system, and he goes by the name of Matthew Teng. And apparently Matthew is a creator of another business project called Daily Profit Maker. And I decided to check out this system as well, called Daily Profit Maker, and this is what had happened. So when I went to go visit the actual dailyprofitmaker.com website, it was flagged by my antivirus software stating that it is an untrustworthy website. And then obviously the next step would be to ask Google for help and research the Daily Profit Maker, but there as well I couldn't dig up any information about that particular software. So what does this mean at the end of the day? At the end of the day, it means that there is no real owner to the software as yet, and it is a potential red flag. And one would ask, would you trust your money to someone who you do not know who you're going to do business with? Anyway, carrying on with the sales video, according to Matthew, the main idea or the mission of Clickwell system is to create multi-millionaires out of ordinary Joes. And Matthew himself had been a low-wage accountant working for a firm, and due to the economic instability, he was forced to leave the job, and as a result of the system, Clickwell system, he has become an online millionaire. And this is the free gift that you're going to get, which is the actual system. And what is the system all about? Matthew claims that the Clickwell system is a never-before-seen method to making money online, and it's 100% legal and ethical. It's a newbie-friendly method, and it's got nothing to do with surveys or multi-level marketing or Forex or even Bitcoin. So what is it about? It's called Customer Arbitrage System. Basically, you are the middleman and you bring the customers to your website, and then the final step is to direct these customers to the vendors such as Amazon or Clickbank. And once these customers buy something from these vendors, you in turn will earn a commission. And that's basically what the Clickwell system is all about. And this certainly is not a brand new way to making money online. It goes by another name which you might have heard before, called affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing is certainly a legit way to making money online. And if you want to know how you can get started, it's the same method that I have used. So just click on the link below this video and you will learn more about that legit platform. However, coming back to Clickwell system, this is the method in which Matthew claims it will help people to get out of the rat race and to becoming financially free. And he outlined the 3 core steps of Clickwell system. Okay, so the 3-step process of the Clickwell system. First one, the step 1 is to choose a customer from the insider list. Step 2, you're going to create a website using the cloud-based software, and apparently this website is built within 5 clicks, and most likely it's going to be a one-page website or a squeeze page. And that definitely means that the main way in which you're going to drive traffic to this website is by using paid ads. So that's another thing you should be aware of. And then the final step is to drive the customer to this merchant website. Hopefully if they buy something, you earn a commission, and the idea is then for you to simply sit back and the entire process should repeat itself, allowing you to earn commissions to roll in on a continuous basis. And the sales page also has a couple of testimonials which cannot be verified. And these are the testimonials from the sales videos. As you can see, anybody can create these sort of testimonials and there's no way of verifying them. What about the cost of Clickwell system? How much does it cost? Well, from the sales video, Matthew says that it costed him around $20,000 just to get the system up and running, and that included all the website hosting fees, the server contracts, and what have you. But he's giving it to you at the price of just $9. Now that sounds pretty crazy, but in a moment you're going to see exactly how much the system is really going to cost you. What is inside the Clickwell system? There are a few short training tutorials as well as some DIY pages. But before I show you what the members area is all about, let's talk about the true cost of the Clickwell system. So these are the 3 major upsells. The first one is the Profit Activator, which is $147. Second upsell is a Click Profit Multiplier, which is $148. And the third one is a 5 times profit sites, which is $149. And according to Matthew, he states that you would need these upsells to get the full benefit of the program. So as is evident, it's certainly not going to be a cheap course. Now let's take a look at what the members area looks like. So this is what the members area is. The first thing that you will notice within the dashboard area is the members welcome message. Then there are 9 training lessons and a few do-it-yourself pages. And on the left hand side, you would notice all the lessons. And the one that are highlighted in red, those are the upsells that I mentioned to you early on. They will teach you how to go about creating a Clickbank account. You will also need to sign up at some point to an autoresponder service. And in this case, I recommend GetResponse. And the point of an autoresponder service or an email provider service is to implement the email swipes which they give to you. And so essentially what this means is that if you use their tools, just like the rest of the members who buy this product as well, you guys are going to be sending out the same email to all the customers. So in other words, you're not allowed any customizations, and you're not going to be able to create a personal connection with your email list. And exactly how would you be sending out these emails? And this is where I told you that you most likely would be using a paid marketing service, a paid ad service, and they teach you on how to use solo ads. And solo ad is not one of the best ways to use because you're essentially using other people's emails list. And the main problem here, once again, you're not going to be able to choose your customers in which you can market to, and everybody will be sending to the same audience. In other words, most likely your email will also be sent to the trash. So is Clickwell system a scam? The 2 positives about the system is that number 1, for your investment, you are going to get some training. And I think if you are a beginner or a newbie to the world of affiliate marketing, it can serve as an okay introduction to this business model. And the second positive is that it is a Clickbank product, so it is covered by a 60-day money-back guarantee. So taking these 2 points into account, I do not think that Clickwell system is a scam. However, I would not recommend it. First of all, it is marketed as a total income generating system, and that's not true. As you have seen, that the $9 is just an entry point, and you have to pay a huge amount of money just to access the rest of the training material. But then the other thing is they're teaching on how to use solo ads. And as I told you earlier on, solo ads is not the best ways to marketing to an audience, because you're essentially marketing your website to cold leads and hoping that you would get a commission. At the end of the day, people would want to first get value from what they're receiving from your email list. Once they receive value and they feel they can trust you, only then would people buy from you. And that's how email marketing works. And speaking of trust, some of the cons about Clickwell system: there's no owner transparency, there are unverified testimonials, they're using false scarcity tactics, they are misleading you into believing that you can make money easily. And from these point of views, I would not recommend the Clickwell system. Thanks so much for joining me. I hope that this review has helped you, and if you've got a clearer picture of what Clickwell system is all about. If you are looking at earning yourself a passive income online and starting a business with true passive income potential, then do click on the link below this video to check out my #1 recommendation. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe so that we can chat in my next video. I wish you everything of the best in your online success. Take care.